Hey, if you're a business owner and you've wondered what could you afford to pay your employees, are you paying them too much, too little, or what would you be able to pay a new employee? Well, I want to walk you through this really cool calculator that we just made that does exactly that for you. Obviously, it's not going to be 100% perfect, but it's going to get you pretty close and give your brain a really good idea of what you could be paying your employees. I want to walk you through this. You're going to be able to choose, is this a contractor or a W-2 employee? You can go through, you can click it in. You're going to be able to put in, we're going to come back to the wages part, but you can go and think through what's the overhead. Let's say you'd have to rent another room for this person. Let's just say, for example, that's $1,000. I'm actually going to clear this piece out right here. Let's say that's $1,000. Right, then we're going to say what type of services or what type of role are they going to play? We're going to say they're going to play a fulfillment role. They're going to fulfill a service. Then we're going to go, cool. Well, how many more new clients or projects could they fulfill if we brought them on per month? We're going to say they could see 25 new clients per month. And what's the average value of one extra client? We're going to say a $3,000 lifetime value of a new client. So that means that monthly they could be bringing in $75,000 of revenue, assuming everyone paid in full. Yearly revenue, they could bring you 900K. So then we go, well, what can we pay them? Well, we want to try and keep our profit margin above 60 to 70% if we can, which means you can start playing around up here with what you can pay them. So this is a contractor. It's not going to factor in taxes. If you want to do the W-2 route, you can come up here, do W-2, and it'll bake in rough tax estimate for you as well. But let's just do contractor side. Here's what we're going to do. Let's just go play around. Let's see if we paid them $5,000 a month, what would we be? We'd be still at 92% profit margin based on this. Amazing, right? So then we go, well, maybe this is a really big job. What if we double that? What if we pay them $10,000? We're still at 85% profit margin. Well, maybe, you know what, actually they can only take on 15 new clients. We start seeing where we can afford to pay this person once we know the numbers. If you need help with this stuff, just go ahead, click the button below or message me to be able to get this calculator. It's been a game changer for us when it's been come to making profitable hires. All you got to do, click the button below or shoot me a message. We'll get this over to you.